sir.
Good evening. Which class you are studying?
I'm studying in 10th standard. My name is Gayatri Mohan.
10th standard.
Yes, sir.
Next year, what subject you will take?
I wish to take Biomax.
Why bio?
I'm interested in biology and
Biology, or you want to become a doctor?
my ambition is to become, I want to study more on aerospace engineering.
You are become a life scientist, right?
Yes.
Very good girl. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
So my question to you is, a journey from Rameshwaram to Rashtrapati Bhavan is indeed a great achievement which no one can think of.
You are giving a lecture now. What's the question?
Sir, I would like to hear from you a few tips for the upcoming generation to succeed in life.
Well, succeeding life, I have already told you.
Yes, sir.
You have to do 4 things, okay? Number 1, repeat with me. Number 1, you repeat.
Number 1,
Great aim.
great aim.
I will have great aim.
I will have great aim.
I will
I will
continuously acquire knowledge. Continuously acquire knowledge.
continuously acquire knowledge.
Oh, I will do hard work.
I will do hard work.
I will persevere
I will persevere
and succeed.
and succeed.
Okay, that's the mantra.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, you can go. You can go. You can go. Yes, that's all. Nobody else. Nobody else. Stop. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Sir,
Go ahead.
Sir, I am Jobin. I study in 7th standard from Kangodia UPS Perurkada. My question, at present, what are the major strengths and weakness of our
Your
India?
mic. Can you keep the mic like this? Like this. Keep distance. Slowly speak. Speak now. You are a good fellow. Yes.
Sir, I am poor English. Study in Malayalam medium.
മലയാളത്തിൽ പറ.
At present, what are the major strengths and weakness of our India?
What are the
Major strengths
major strength? What are the major strength of India
and weakness of our India?
and weakness? Fantastic boy. What class you are studying?
7th standard.
7th standard. Okay. Now, strength of India. What the major strength of India? You guys. That is 600 million youth. Major strength of India, 600 million youth. Okay?
Okay.
So the youth, repeat with me, ignited mind, all of you, ignited mind
United mind
of the youth
of the youth.
is the most powerful resource
This is what
on the earth,
on the earth,
above the earth,
about the earth,
under the earth.
under the earth.
You said, what is the weakness of India? Weakness of India. What is the weakness of India? Weakness of India, without vision, a nation dies without vision. You must have a vision, okay? Great vision.
Thank you,
okay?
sir.
Great vision. You can go, you can go. Again, addition. I will answer only 5 more guys, okay?
Good evening, sir.
Uh,
I am Krishnita KB, representing Sri Vivekananda Memorial Public School. Let me put forth my question.
your mic, you are putting in your mouth distance. Yes.
Among all your valuable accomplishments, which did you consider as outstanding as a space scientist and as the President of India?
Well, I personally believe I always value as a teacher. I am a teacher. When my student got a PhD, that was the greatest happiness for me. Okay. Next year. You can go.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Give the mic and go. What's
I'm
your
Vishnu
What's your
Dinakajit.
name?
Vishnu Dinakajit.
Which class you are studying?
5th.
5th. What is your dream?
My dream is to become an IAS officer.
IAS officer. Okay. Tell me, you are a smart fellow. You are a smart boy, smart boy. As a IAS, when you become IAS fellow, what will you do to the country? You say what I am saying, okay? As an IAS officer, repeat with me. As an
IAS officer,
I will
I will
remove the corruption.
remove the corruption.
Okay. Now, what's your question?
My question is that,
Eh.
sir, can you say a few words to the new generation who are ignorant of the human values like love, compassion, and gratitude?
Can you say a few words on love, compassion, and gratitude? Okay. Now, love emanates from parents. That cannot be valued. No value. It may be millions of rupees also you cannot buy. It comes from parent, father, mother. Okay. That's why today you took a oath. What is the oath you took? I will make my mother happy. You are taken. So that's why your gratitude because of the love. Compassion. Compassion we have to have. Today I saw when I was traveling, a father, mother, two physically challenged children, they cannot talk to each other. But when they entered the aircraft, the whole aircraft passenger, everyone was showing the love and affection, compassion to the two children who are physically challenged. That's compassion. Gratitude. Gratitude is the greatest quality every one of us having. For example, you look at the sun, look at the earth, billions and billions of years, sun gives radiation, light and warmth to the earth we live. At no time sun has asked earth to thank. At no time the solar system has asked the earth to thank because I am giving you light and warmth. That is, earth should have gratitude. Earth should have gratitude. For 5 billion years we got the light, we got the warmth of the sun. You follow? Good question. You follow. You are a young fellow. You asked a fantastic question. You are a good fellow. Next.
Good evening, sir.
Which class you are studying?
I am studying in 10th standard. My name is Vanat Isaac. I am representing Mount Bethany Public School, Kumbara, Pathanamthitta.
Fantastic. Next year, what subject you are taking?
Biomax.
Biology. What's the idea?
In my mind, I had the idea to become an engineer. So I am trying for that. Side by side, I also look for become a doctor also. So both, but more it's going for the engineer itself.
Okay. Now I want to share you an experience. Okay. When I was traveling today from Delhi to Thiruvananthapuram, 4 hours 45 minutes in the aircraft inside. Okay. I saw the many stories being cooked there. Okay. Many stories emanating. One guy was sitting by my side. He is a Bombay businessman, software man. He told me, Kalam, he asked, where are you going? I told, I'm going to address the children today. Asianet children, thousands I'm going to address. He asked me to convey to the children. The message he conveyed, always you ask, what is your passion? Passion. That passion should lead you what you want to specialize. Every father, mother may like to be a doctor, engineer and manager like that. But what is important, children dream what they want to be. We have to respect the children's dream. That is passion. Okay? What's your passion?
Sir, you have always emphasized on the important role youngsters have to do in the nation development. Could you please suggest some projects in which students like us can contribute to the society?
How?
Students like us, how can we contribute to the society? Some projects for that?
How the students can contribute for the national development, right?
Yes.
Yeah, national. Well, I personally believe all you students, one advice for all of you. advice to you, when you are a student, your job, your mission is excel in the education, okay? Don't get into any other area. Because when you reach 10 plus 2, everybody is asking 90% plus, okay? To become a doctor, become an engineer, become a manager, any field you need. That means you have to excel in the education. You have to, if you got time, Saturday, Sunday, holidays, you go at the hospital, okay? Crowded hospital, some other Trivandrum hospital. You go there evening time. In the evening time, visitors time, lot of visitors will be parents and friends will go there. But there are some beds, nobody visit them. They are orphaned people. So you take flowers and fruits to them, make them happy. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Then you plant trees, 5 trees you plant. Then educate the people. If you are affordable, you can educate for a higher education. Okay? These are all side work. Education is the most important thing. Okay? Next.
Thank you, sir.
Over? Questions over now. Okay.
Good evening, sir. So I'm Aishwarya Jyotis from Jyotis Central School and I'm studying in 10th standard. My question is, brain drain is a major problem in our country.
Which one? Brain drain.
Brain drain. Many youngsters are settling abroad, which is a great loss for us. Is there any possible solution for this, sir?
We don't need any solution. There is no brain drain. Okay? So don't worry. Because we are a billion people. Okay? There is 3 million students come out every year in various fields. So few thousands, even 10,000 going does not matter. If a globalized world, Indians will go. Similarly, many other countries will come here. So exchange of knowledge, it's nothing wrong in it. Okay? So according to me, there's no brain drain. Okay? What is needed is a great scientific laboratories, great human laboratories we have, so that many come and do the research here in India as we are doing from other countries also. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Excuse me,
next.
sir. Good evening, sir. My name is Elizabeth Joseph and I am from SNDP Higher Secondary School, Neeravil, Kwalla. Sir, I have a doubt regarding a new theory. I will say my question. For the last few decades, scientists are in search of a theory of everything to explain the entire phenomena in the universe. Will you please explain what is it?
Scientists
Are in search of a new theory called theory of everything. Can you
Yeah.
please explain?
or theory of
Everything, or it is called as string theory. It's a new
theory of everything.
Yeah, theory of everything.
Theory of everything. You know what is happening? There is Newton's law of motion, Einstein's relative theory, then Maxwell's theory of Maxwell's theory. Number of theories are there, and the issue is, can you bring them all together, all the theories together, so that we can find out how the earth was born. Earth is born. If we know all the theories together, there is a movement is going on now. Scientists are researching all the theories, integrating theories, find out a common equation or a common system that may establish, like for example, CERN laboratory, what they are doing, the big experiment there is to establish how the theory of everything they want to establish there. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
It's a
Thank
good
you for your
question.
valuable answer.
Okay, last question.
Good evening, sir. Sir, I am Manu Pratap. I am representing Kendriya Vidyalaya, Ottapalam.
You are doing fast. Slowly speak.
Yes, sir. Sir, daily we are hearing many news about corruption. So, sir, can you tell some methods that we, the future generation, can do to remove corruption from our country?
Corruption. How to remove the corruption, right?
Yes.
If I give you all solution, will you do it? All of you will follow? Suppose corruption, how to remove, if I say, will you do that? How many of you will do it? Okay, now I am going to give you a solution, okay? So it's the last question, because that fellow asked a last question, so I am giving you the last answer for that. It's like this. We are a billion people, okay? India has billion people. Billion people live in 200 million houses. That means 200 million house into 5 billion, isn't it? Isn't it? 205, 200 into 5. Each house has got 5 people, okay?